Hey, this is Mike with Extreme Audio. Here we have a quick demo of a remote start system installed on a 2018 Honda Accord that was brought to us by the local Honda dealer. They wanted everything as factory as possible, so we added the remote start function to the OEM key fob. Simply press lock on the OEM fob 3 times to start the vehicle. You can also shut the vehicle back off by pressing the lock button 3 times again. Interested in a remote start for your Accord? Check us out at extremeaudio.org or stop by one of the locations listed at the end of the video. Extreme Audio has 2 Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.